Sunny times here at Uffington White Horse Hill. I'm here with my good friend Richie and we're off for a little walkie-poos and to test a Swiss Army rocket stove. A blast from the past, you could say. Right, we'll be on our way. Hello, welcome, just going out for a bit. Well, hello there. Here we are. Right. It's a bit basic, isn't it? But I've slept in worse, park benches and so forth. Right. Today, what we got in here, which is something all the rage about 7-10 years ago, and it's a Swiss Army rocket stove. It works on in wood, you know. It works on, you know, combustibles, like you could put the alcohol stove on there, which we're going to do. And it's rather good. So just going to show you this, very basic, and we'll do it on something a little bit more suitable than the Hilton. Right, let's go. Got to try and crawl out now. This will fall on me. Ooh. Yep, cool. Yep. Oh, the things I do for YouTube. Okay, right. Now we're a little bit more comfortable. Here it is. All aluminium, aluminum, depending where you come from. Construction. Comes with a cup. Almost Victorian water bottle with a cork, and this lovely thing here is what we're going to use to protect it from the raging storms around us now. I've tried it once in the freezing cold wind. It does work. It's very good. So we're going to give it to the test. Slight mention. They don't make these anymore, I don't think. And whereas 10 years ago, you could probably pick these up for about a tenner, 20 quid. Now they're a lot more than that. Double the price easily. For essentially, you know, a tin can. A tin can which you're able to move around a bit. Hence the things there. It comes with a little hole, which you'll find out all about that. Now, I'm cooking for two today, so you've got the option of having a burner in there, putting the top on that, dead easy. Or you can put the whole lot in and cook up that, which we're going to do to see how effective and how long it takes to cook anything. You know, so right, let's get set up. So the meth burner of choice, there you go. The methylated spirits there to speak of. Use a very old Trangia style burner, a Timu special over there, works just as well, or a cat tin with some fire rope inside, works just as well, my homemade thing. So let's fold this up with that and get cooking. Fill it up with meths. the Master Light. We'll wait for that to bloom for a second. Right, so she's bloomed quite well. The prevalent wind is coming this direction, so I've moved it out of the way. And I put the little catch in the hole down there, so all we do is that. Safe and secure, low centre of gravity, everyone's happy. I'm going to have, for my sins, a nice cuppa made by my good friend over there. Cheers everyone. There we go. Right, let's leave that to go now. To be fair, it's taken about 15 minutes of roaring boil, but it's there. Right. You pass me the cup, old boy.
Yeah, please.
Oh, I'll have that for my... Look at that.
Look at that.
Superb. I'll leave that just to concentrate. So as the sun goes down, we've just looked at our phone, it's about -2 already. Got about an hour of sunlight. We'll make our way back down to the White Horse in Uffington and keep ourselves lovely and warm when this obviously goes around there. So my sort of final thoughts on the old thing, yeah. You can use meth burners or whatever type you want. You can use twigs and sort of woodage to keep going. You can put hexi blocks in there. You use fire dragon fuel sort of thing. All works. You know, keeps it off. As you can see, it worked. It worked. That's all you want. You know. So, if you see these in a car boot sale or something, grab hold of them because they are very hard to get hold of these days. So all good. I'm going to pack up now. You know, make sure we'll get home nice and safe. Right, off to do some washing up. We're going out for a bit. That's us done. Cheers.
Lovely.
As the sun slowly goes down, outside the Wayland Smithy, we come across this live wall, and it is strong as anything. Beauty.